Do you have a chicken dish you want? Maybe in the slow cooker? How about we make a chicken cacciatore? I've never made one of these, but I got some chicken thighs. So let's see what we're all gonna have, shall we? So for this recipe, we're gonna use some chicken thighs, spaghetti sauce, tomato paste. We don't have any mushrooms. That's okay. We got some frozen bell pepper and onion mix over here that we're gonna need. Or you could use half a yellow onion minced and half a green bell pepper diced. We'll need to use 3 tablespoons of garlic, 1.5 tablespoons of oregano. I couldn't find my oregano, so we have some Italian seasoning here that we'll use. Some dried basil, once again, I think it's in the Italian. Some black pepper and some 1/4 teaspoon red pepper flakes. So let's grab our slow cooker real quick. Do you have a favorite way you use of chicken? I usually never use chicken thighs, but this recipe said we should use chicken thighs. So we are using chicken thighs. It said it was boneless, skinless. Let's take the skin. Have you ever made a chicken cacciatore? Because I sure haven't. But it means gatherer in Italian, I believe. And we are gathering all our materials here that we need. Make sure once you handle raw chicken that you wash your hands. So I have some Prego Italian sausage and garlic that we're going to use. I'm going to cover this. We're also going to add a can of tomato sauce because apparently I didn't have a big enough container for the tomato sauce, or tomato sauce, spaghetti sauce, that's what you call it. This is how mine came looking. Ooh, look at all that. But, is it any good? We need to grab a plate real quick to figure this out. So tender. With the crushed red peppers, we put those flakes in there, so it adds that little zing to it. But I would highly recommend this. Definitely gonna have to make this some more. If this helped you, if you could leave a comment and like and subscribe, it does help a lot. I hope you have a great night and wonderful eating.